Hey everyone, and welcome to Doing Things Dan's Way. So if you have a Honda Fit and your brake lights look like this, or your turn signal should look like this, but instead looks like this, or perhaps your running lights are out and instead of having a glow like this, it looks like this. Today, really quickly, I'm going to show you how easy it is to change your own bulbs on the Honda Fit. Anybody can do this, and you need barely a screwdriver to get in there. So let me show you really quick. This is Doing Things Dan's Way. So you have 4 different bulbs on the back of the Fit. You have running lights, top and bottom, that are red. And the bottom one is also, when it goes into high brightness mode, that is your brake light. And then in the middle, you have your rear backup lights, and you have your turn signal light. Or any one of these bulbs can be burned out on you. Now, obviously, we need to get into this area right back here. And to do that, you can either crouch over this thing, or may I just simply suggest that you just have a seat. Maybe a little bit awkward, but from here now I have full access to where the lights are, and I'm reasonably comfortable. So let's take a look right here. Okay, so to get this open, I'm just going to use the car key, and I'm just going to come in here and just carefully pry and push towards the back of the car in these openings there and up here, and it just pops out that easily. And then from here we have access to the back of all the bulbs. So now that we have access to all of the bulbs back here, all you do is you just grab the bulb, the base, and you turn it counterclockwise, like 1/8 turn, and you can pull out the bulb. So this one here is our backup light, for example. And what you'll notice is that there's a key here. There's a fat tab and a narrow tab and another fat tab, and that needs to line up with the shape that you see here. So if we line up the narrow tab and put that in first, and then turn it back that 1/8 turn until it clicks, you're done. So this here is the backup light. This one here on the right is the turn signal light. This one down here is the running light for the lights, and it's also the brake light. And up here is another running light. So today I need to replace the brake light, and the brake light is this bottom one down here. Now this bulb, we're going to turn it and pull it out. As you can see, it's all black and obviously burned out. So we're just going to pull this out. Now one thing to note about replacing a filament bulb like this, right now I'm handling this one because it is, the old and dead one. But when you get the new one out of the package, you do not want to get your finger oils on the bulb itself. So you're much better off getting either a simple rubber or fabric glove, or even a paper towel or a tissue to handle this with. Okay, so now that we have the bulb, we have a gloved hand, so we're clean. You're just gonna push the bulb back in the socket. And it doesn't matter which way you put it, because of the way the bulb is designed, it doesn't really matter. And we're just gonna pop this back in the slot. So remember, we've got the little thick and thin little tabs on here, so we just wanna line those back up with the hole and turn it until it clicks. And then we're going to put our connector back on if we took it off, just like that. So if you want to get the connector off, if the cables are too tight or something, there's a little tab right here. So you push that tab in. So you push that tab in, then you can pull the whole connector out separate from the base that holds the bulb. We have several options to replace this bulb. We could just use a standard off-the-shelf, in this case 7443 Sylvania bulb, and I'll put a link in the description down below for this. This is just a very, very standard bulb that you can get, and Amazon will get it to you tomorrow. And so this is an easy one. I'll have just links down below for also the other bulbs that are common on the Honda Fit if you have a different problem than just your brake light. So you could use the standard bulb, but let me show you also another option. So All the Lighting sent me out a pair of LED-based replacement bulbs to test out. So let's open these up. As you can see, this has all 4 connectors, just like the original burned out bulb has. So this should just pop right in here and work just fine. So I can't quite turn this corner with the bulb still in there. So if you put a fingernail or a screwdriver in that slot right there, you can take off this part and install it. And then just reconnect the connector here. Okay, let's take a look at the outside. So right away, we can already see a really big difference here in the brightness of this LED on this side versus a standard brand new bulb over on this side. So it does give you an idea of like, okay, there's going to be a big difference in just the general lighting. Let me press on the brake and you'll see the difference there as well. That's brake on, brake off, brake on. So what do you think? Did you prefer the look of this side over here with the LED or this side over here with a standard bulb? Hit me up in the comments below if you think it's worthwhile to spend the extra money to get the LEDs. I do have a link down below for these, all the lighting LEDs for this particular car. And of course, you'll have to make sure that the lights that you get fit your particular car as well. I know for me, I'm gonna switch to these LEDs. I like the idea that when I hit the brakes, they flicker and stay on, and that kind of really gets your attention to other people on the road. So that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together again now that I got the light replaced, and hit the other side and take a look at the final product. Now we have our brake light replaced with this LED. All I have to do is make sure everything is pushed back in place and put the cover back on. I found it easier to put the cover on the reverse way. So start off on the left here, get those tabs in place, and then just push it in the center to get the right side to snap. And that's all there is to it. It's that simple. Okay, so this is 2 LED-based lights in the brake light position. Let me, and this is just in the running light mode. Let me go step on the brake. Well, and there you have a demonstration of how that looks. What do you think? Hit me up in the comments below. Do you think the LED blinking is really distracting and stupid? Or do you think that's actually going to get people's attention and slow people down or make them aware of what's going on? That's about it for this video. If I have an update, I will post it up here. I hope you just have encouragement to know that you can very quickly pop open the panel, pull out the bulb, swap it out, stick it in, and it really should just take about 3 or 4 minutes to do. Whether you lean over or you sit inside it, that's up to you. For me, it took a lot more just to get the camera angles and get the lighting I needed to make this work so that you could see what I was doing in back. As always, I'll have links in the description below for both the standard incandescent bulbs as well as the LED bulbs from all the lighting that I used in this particular project. So thanks to them for sending these out. So I have other things I've done to this Honda Fit. You can hit up a playlist here. You can smash on my face right here to subscribe. You'll see the next videos that come out in this series. And otherwise, guys, until next time, be blessed.